How to change profile picture in Duolingo. Duolingo is an educational application that provides learning certification for different kinds of languages. Open the Duolingo application on your mobile device and make sure if you log into your account if you already have one. Once you're in, click on the bottom right corner and select Profile. It will open up your Duolingo account's profile. Simply click on the gear button at the top right corner and select Profile. You can see that there is no option of changing the profile picture but only changing the avatar. So what we can do is open your browser and open the Duolingo website and log into your account. Once you are logged into your Duolingo account, click on the profile at the bottom right corner and select the gear icon at the top right corner. It will take you to this following page. As you can see, I cannot change my profile picture through this. I can only change my avatar. But it might not be the case for you. There might be an option of change profile picture where you can update your profile picture. And that's it. This is how you can change your profile picture in Duolingo. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content.